Hello, welcome back to you. So you're going to have a look at the next 2 weekends. This coming weekend, it's the weekend of the Le Mans rally down in France. So have a look at what's going on in France over the weekend. And then the following weekend, the last weekend of June, is going to be Glastonbury, and the weekend of the British Grand Prix. We'll have a look at the weekend weather for that weekend as well. Now, if we go on, we'll talk about the advertising. There's green keyword ads on all my pages at GalsWebBiz.com. If you run your cursor over those green keywords, they will display ads. If you click through those ads, then you'll go through to the advertised website, and that supports GalsWebBiz.com. Thanks very much for doing that. There's also a video ad sitting just above this video player. You can play that, and again, you'll be supporting GalsWebBiz.com by doing that. Thanks very much. So we're going to start off with the weather for Thursday across France. We've got very weak pressure here across France, as I've been talking about over the last few updates for Le Mans. It looks really quite unsettled to start the weekend on Thursday, Thursday the 20th of June. So there's the precipitation forecast for France. Really quite a wet, showery sort of day across much of France. We're going to have convective potential as well. These green and yellow colours indicate that there could be thunder and lightning in with some of that rain. And temperature's going to be reasonably warm. It's going to be quite sticky and humid still, edging down from the very high temperatures that we've got over in France just at the moment. The temperatures will ease off, but still really quite warm with temperatures into below to mid-20s. Quite humid as well with that. Going into Friday, a little bit of a ridge of high pressure starts to come in off the Atlantic. It'll still be a showery day. There's still a suggestion that we've got showers around on Friday the 21st of June. But I think it'll be less thundery. The showers shouldn't be quite as intense as they will be on Thursday. But convective potential is easing off on Friday as well. Temperatures have edged down a little bit though, still in the low 20s, but it'll feel a little bit cooler and fresher, I think, by the time I get through to Thursday. Friday, I should say. Let's go through to Saturday the 22nd. We've got a big area of low pressure over the British Isles, and that will be threatening northern France with some heavy and persistent rain. If we have a look at the precipitation forecast for Saturday, we've got the chance of really quite heavy rain there across much of northern and central France. That could well produce quite a wet day for Le Mans. Temperatures with that persistent rain much cooler, down just into the mid to upper teens Celsius. And as we move through into Sunday, the 21st, still a suggestion that we've got low pressure in the North Sea, and that's going to be producing a strong showery northerly wind down into France. So yeah, a lot of showers on Sunday the 23rd of June for France, and temperatures again very much on the cool side with that very cool northerly wind. So for Le Mans, it does look very changeable. Really heavy showers and storms possible on Thursday, and then after that really it's showers or longer spells of rain moving through Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Going to the last weekend of June, this is for Glastonbury and the British Grand Prix weekend. We start off on Thursday the 27th again, so I'll have on a Thursday with high pressure trying to ridge in off the Atlantic, but we've got weather systems here up to the north and the west of the country, so that's producing rain in the northwest. But for Glastonbury, it's probably dry, reasonably bright and fairly warm, but this is suggesting it's quite cold. But this is at the low resolution end of the GFS one, so in actual fact I think that would be a reasonably mild day with temperatures not exciting but in the upper teens at best. As we move through to a Friday though, looks what's happened. Got a big area of low pressure developing in the Atlantic on Friday the 28th of June. That's bringing heavy rain into the west. That would be threatening Glastonbury and Silverstone for Friday the 28th of June. Temperatures rather cool, just in the mid-teens at best. And then we've got this horrendous looking chart Saturday the 29th. Big area of low pressure right over the country, producing heavy rain and gales. Will be washing things out at Glastonbury and at Silverstone for the qualifying. Temperatures obviously very much on the cool side with that wind and rain. And then finally, as we move through to Sunday the 30th of June, that low pressure sitting right over the top of the country as a dartboard feature, producing more heavy rain, strong winds and gales, and obviously very cool temperatures as well, just in the low to mid-teens. So that is an absolutely horrendous update from the GFS model for Glastonbury and for Silverstone. Would be really cool, wet, windy, horrible conditions for both of those events. Very concerning to see this. I'll have to do more updates about it and just hope that the GFS drops this idea as quick as it's come up with it. But very concerning to see. It would be a horrible weekend if that's right. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.